Hi everyone, myself Kasturi from AD department. I'm handling the subject product design and development to the pre-final year ADS department A&D section students. So today we have discussed about the topic what all the AI tools now available in order to ease our work. So my students are going to recollect those information in a group discussion view. Thank you.
Like ChatGPT, used for professors and students, research, it is used for networking course, the missing class for messages,
For developers, Copilot is used for finding codes and executing errors. This is useful for the beginners to learn faster than the time management, and also useful for the execution of code at the end of the project.
AI tools like DALL, Midjourney, and other content creation tools which are used for generating the posters, banners, or the marketing team. Even the users who don't know any editing skills can edit their banners and posters using these AI tools.
AI in data analytics transform the world by using in Power BI and
by using this data, we can predict the future by forecasting the data, and businesses who runs the company can easily predict the future outcome of the product or any other enable by using this data. In this, AI transforms this Power BI and Tableau and they can revolutionize the world. In education purpose, AI tools like DALL and the content testing, it is useful for students for any question in ChatGPT. It will be reliable answers to the questions. It will be time saving for the students and the process.
Little Copilot is also useful for the developers, and one more role AI plays in the speech recognition also. By using this, we can convert the text into a speech. Otter AI is a powerful AI which translates text into speech. By using for this AI, students and professionals can with a delay in text.
The AI tools like Runaway ML and Pictory are useful in video editing. This can be used by the YouTubers and other content creation influencers for editing their video.
in healthcare, AI tools like IBM Watson and Google DeepMind transform the hospitals. For example, if doctors take the patient's record and for diagnosis, it takes up to weeks or 2 weeks to 3 weeks. But by using these AIs, we can diagnose the data within a hour. By using these AIs, it can really revolutionize the healthcare data and diagnose the patient accurately.
Customer services uses AI chatbots and content creation and Tido. It will be used for any queries and book appointments for authorities. It will be answered 24 into 7. It will be for time saving for students and professions.
AI is also used in agricultural fields like yielding and cropping the cropping plants. By using AI in drones, we can fertilize the crop at a regular interval of time. By using the AI, like John Builder farmer production, which helps to maintain the plants for regular times. By using this, we can accurately find the crop in yielding and maintain the crop at a regular interval of time.
Human process reduces the time-consuming process of selecting a candidate for an interview. It uses for the HRs and other selecting members to reduces the number of applications which can be categorized by using ATS and other text processing tools. This reduces the time-consuming process of the sub-interviews. The tools can reduces the HR time and other processes. Even it reduces the requirement for the employees and select the correct candidate for the interview.
But with so much automation, ethical issues also arise. People may concern about the data privacy. biased algorithm, and even the deepfake videos. Recently, many celebrities' deepfake videos are raised in the social media. So we should use the AI ethically and truly.
True, overview can also reduce human creativity and thinking. AI supportable tools is not replacement for a real life intelligence. The user must can understand the limit of its AI tools. Another risk of AI is dependency. Relying on AI for every situation can lead to critical thinking. But also, AI has some numerous advantages. By using AI, we can also we can also use in AI. We can numerously have a number of advantages. By using this in a good manner, we can use at any industries and uh, content set. Balance is the key for using AI.
They in the legal assistance lawyers for the contracts and other legal cases. It analyzes the other legal cases related to the topic and easily give the correct in the courts, they can be used for the analyzing the criminal's cases to check the truth of the criminal. If whether the criminal is lying, can be detect the criminal's expression and give a verdict for the criminal.
AI is a powerful tool.
In the upcoming generation. If we used it in good manner, we can transform the world quickly by making the process shortly. From healthcare to education, from businesses to creativity, AI can transform the world if we used in a good manner. So we should use the AI for good purposes and avoid using AIs in deepfakes such as etc. AI in healthcare. AI, the monitoring patients' records for next time the patient will be coming to hospital. It is useful for surgeries for heart specialists and diagnosis in patients. The real-time example for agriculture are by using the drones, fertilizing the crops and monitoring the yielding of the crops. And one more example is by using AI to predict the pet prediction and weather conditions, and also using AI for soil moisture conditions and weather predictions.
On increasing digitalization, cybersecurity is the main concern. The user privacy are affected due to the increasing digitalization and hackers. This can be reduced by using the AI. AI can detect the viruses and other Trojan horses by predicting its pattern from the previous viruses. So this detects the viruses in your system and reduces the concern of viruses in our PC. This reduces the user's data loss and other concerns. For example, the cybersecurity is like included intrusion detection system. In this, in fixing the house automation, this can be reduces the any stranger who come into our house can be detected.
In coding, AI reducing the human creativity. For example, if we ask a doubt in the code, AI generates the implementation of the code. By this, the human fully depending on the ChatGPTs like AIs like ChatGPT or Gemini AIs. By fully depending on AI, we cannot think creativity and we lost the logical thinking capacity. So if we use AI for just we should use AI for just clarifying or clearing our doubt instead of fully depending on AI. It can transform humans. As humans create AI, we should not dominate by the AIs. And in healthcare, AI is very useful by collecting large amount of previous data set and can easily use for predicting the diagnosis. But by by replacing humans instead of by replacing AI with humans, we can accurately predict the diagnosis of patient within an hour, as we can save many lives. Thank you.